Hi everybody, this is Anna from hotoptionbabe.com. On the chart I have a shot of the gold futures, the symbol being /GC. And what I wanted to show you, I think I told a couple people about a week or so ago, maybe it was a little bit more, that gold was nearing a top and I expected some kind of correction, whether it be to around 1330, 1314, maybe even 1280. Could even go lower than that, but let's go over the chart and see what we have here. Okay, first of all, on the daily chart, you have your stochastic showing a clear sell signal here. You have your MACD showing you a clear sell signal, and you also have your MACD histogram closing below the zero line, and that is a sell signal. If you look closely, and I'm going to try to tighten this up a little bit, there's a little bit of a bear flag starting to play out on the daily. But let's look at the shorter time frame. Let's look at the 60. Now, I do a lot of trading of the gold futures, and I find them to be a lot of fun, especially when they work, obviously. Okay, now if we take a look at the 60-minute, we have an inspirative bear flag, and we'll see how that plays out. The stochastics are rolling over. The MACD still in a sell signal. However, let me open this up a little bit more and pull this in so you can see it. The oscillator's really not confirming on this MACD histogram again quite yet. So we could see either a little bounce or it could just fall and go straight down. And if we look at the 30-minute, now I look for day trading and intraday trading. I look at usually 5 and 15 minutes. And now I look at the 1, 2. Now here's the 30, the same thing. The stochastics rolling over here, okay? However, and the MACD histogram is losing steam here. So I would say gold is more likely, gold is going to probably, let's do a retracement, and let me show you how we're going to do this. We're going to do a retracement drawing, Fibonacci retracements. Okay, here we go. So we're going to take the low of 1356. Now this is only on a 30-minute, so I'm going to have to fix this in a second because I don't draw so perfect. Nobody does anyway. To 1432.5. No, it's 1434, but I can change it. Okay, so we're going to look at this, and then we're going to open this up, tighten this up here a little bit, and we're going to base, what was our high? 1432. You can edit properties. 1432. 32.50, and the low was 13.56, I believe. 13.56. I don't have to check that again, but excuse me. Let me tighten this up. 13.56.2 and 14.32.5, close enough. Okay, and I am going to remove this MACD so we can really get a good idea on what we got here. I'm gonna, okay. There we go. I'm gonna remove that. I like to have room on my charts to look. Okay. So if we looked at the 30-minute, we're right now at 1384. Look at that. 1385. Pretty close. Pretty darn close. 1385. I think it actually closed yesterday at 1385. But it might have slipped a little after hour. But look at that right here. You can see that we have, on the 30-minute, have retraced 61.8% from the highs of 1432. Now, can we go further? Well, I think so. I definitely think so. So I'm looking for, where I can't see these too well. Let me see if I can open these up a little bit. 1372 would be our next stop down, which we did actually hit. And remember, we hit that and bounced off of that. And then we have 1356. That would be my short-term level to watch for, this 1356. Watch, of course, all your indicators to make sure that they're, still showing a sell signal, which they are. But gold moves very fast. I tried trading silver for and I do trade silver occasionally, but it moves $50 per tick. So for every one tick, it's $50. For gold, it's $10 per 10. So it's $100 a full tick, but silver is much, much more volatile. I can assure you, because it moves much faster and moves a lot. And moves a lot. And it takes a lot of margin too. For every contract is almost $10,000. They raise the margin requirements for silver. So, so that is my outlook on gold for the short term. We could also do the Fibonacci for the longer term, but we'll do that for another day. Oh, there you go. He actually has it. Here's another level that we could see is 1308. Okay, so I am looking for some lower, for some more correction on gold, and we have, see, there's a bear flag. You can see it pretty nicely on the one that's in spirit of bear flag, and another little one at the bottom here. It's trying to negate it, but your indicators are telling you it's to sell. So on your bounces, you can sell it. On Friday, we went from a high of 1393 to 1372, and it bounced right off of this Fibonacci level, this 1372. It's amazing how that works, isn't it? It bounced right here. Look at this. This is where it bounced, and here's your line, okay? And it went up, and it retraced all the way back to almost 1394. I think we did hit 1394. And then we came back down and retested that again at the 1372. Swoosh. I hate when this does this. So your Fibonacci's are, no, I don't want to delete all drawings. I just want to delete this one. Your Fibonacci is such a good tool to have in your toolkit if you don't use it. Thanks a lot, and I'm looking for lower prices in gold, and I'll see you soon. Bye.